Hello, boys and girls. It is Miss Hull, and today we are going to review some double-digit addition, and we are going to use the place value strategy. So let's get started. We are going to put this up here. All right, so let's get started. Let's do 62 plus 28. So the place value strategy, we also call it break apart, or some of you like to call it the caret strategy, right? Because we use our carets in order to break our numbers apart. So I am going to draw my carets just like that. And first thing I need to do is add my tens. So 6 plus 2. Now remember, boys and girls, this is not just 6 plus 2 because my number's in the tens place. So it's actually 60 plus 20. And 60 plus 20 equals 80. Now I'm going to add my ones place. So I have 2 plus 8. And I know that 2 plus 8 makes a 10. So then I can add 80 plus 10, and I know that that equals 90. So my answer is 90. So 62 plus 28 equals 90. Now let's do another problem. So our next problem is going to be 55 plus 36. And I need to draw my carets. So now I'm going to add my tens first. So I'm going to add 5 plus 3. Remember, this is not just 5 plus 3, it's 50 plus 30. And I know that 50 plus 30 equals 80. Then I need to add my ones, so I have 5 plus 6, and I know that 5 plus 6 equals 11. Now, boys and girls, with this, I can either add 80 plus 11 just like that, or I can break it apart if I need to. So I'm going to show you how you can break it apart if you choose to do it that way. So I'm going to add 80 plus 10 first. And I know that 80 plus 10 equals 90. And then I need to add the 1. So 90 plus 1 equals 91. And that is my answer. So 55 plus 36 equals 91. Now let's do one more problem to show you how to do the place value strategy in double-digit addition. So one more. Let's do 48 plus 25. Okay, I need to draw my carets. Now, I am going to add 40 plus 20 first, and that equals 60. Then I need to add 8 plus 5, and 8 plus 5 equals 13. So now I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to break it apart. So I'm going to do 60 plus 10 first. And I know that 60 plus 10 equals 70. Then I need to add the 3 left over. So I'm going to add 70 plus 3, which equals 73. So 48 plus 25 equals 73. So this was just a short video to review the place value strategy for double-digit addition. Please make sure that you do the problems that we have assigned for you to do this week. When you're finished, you can take a picture of it, and your parents can either email it to your teacher, or they can also text it to your teacher's phone number that they have given them. So I hope this was helpful, and I will see you next time.